It's been worldly and widely known that many edible dark-colored fruits, which are extremely high in anthocyanins, are thought to be important for the human health. The food that we speak of is called jaboticaba, which is a fruit native to Brazil. It's an extremely pleasant tasting dark colored fruit and a rich source of a wide variety of phenolic compounds, including flavonoids, anthocyanins, tannins, phenolic acids, as well as a well-known polyphenol like dipsides. From the Jaboticaba tree was a fruit that is shown to open up the airways, good for asthma, and it's also known as an astringent, which makes it great for diarrhea. And for those suffering with tonsillitis, can help with that as well too. Basically, Jaboticaba fruit is an anti-aging, anti-inflammatory fruit, which is going to show a tremendous benefits for your body. Jaboticaba fruit contains lots of proteins, low in carbs, and high in calcium, iron, phosphorus, and a very high amounts of vitamin C, as well as some B vitamins and very low in calories. So overall, this exotic fruit packs a mean punch. So taste up, everybody.